You can never have too much storage in your truck, so today we're looking at this Husky Liners gearbox for your F-150. If you're looking to add some storage to your F-150 or just keep it organized, this gearbox is exactly what you need. This is Husky Liners underseat storage gearbox for the 2015 to 18 Supercrew F-150. This gearbox is made of durable black plastic with a textured finish to give it more of a factory look, and it's going to go right under the rear seat, and you're going to install it with the higher side towards the front of the truck and the lower side at the rear. To secure it, you're going to use the strap that comes with the box, put it through this hole on this seat bracket right here, and just secure it to the clip. Make sure it's tight, and also make sure that it is properly centered, or at least to the position that you like, and lock it. And that's pretty much it. Now you can put whatever you have in here, additional storage, or just to keep your truck a little bit more organized. And then you can fold your seat down, and it lines up with the seats perfectly. So this Husky Liners gearbox is a good solution if you have a lot of stuff rolling around in your bed or inside the cab. It's definitely going to keep your truck a lot more organized and safe, and you can find this gearbox along with other stuff for your F-150 at cjponyparts.com. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, check out this playlist.